How much money do YouTubers actually make? Is it enough to quit your day job and travel the world? Let's break down all the ways YouTubers earn money, and you might be surprised by the real numbers. First up, the one everyone knows, AdSense. This is the money you get from ads playing on your videos. But how much is it really? The rate, or CPM, which means cost per 1,000 views, varies wildly. A vlogger in the entertainment niche might get just $2 or $3 per 1,000 views. But a channel talking about personal finance or real estate could earn $20, $30, or even $50 for the same number of views. Why the difference? Advertisers pay more to reach audiences interested in high-value products. So, 1 million views could mean anything from $2,000 to $50,000 just from ads. But wait, there's a catch. YouTube takes a 45% cut of that ad revenue. So, from that $1,000 your video earned, you only get to keep $550. Plus, not every single view is monetized. Viewers might use ad blockers, or the video might not be advertiser friendly. So, the actual take-home from ads is often less than you'd think based on CPM alone. This is why smart creators never rely on just one income source. Let's talk about the other streams. Affiliate marketing is a huge one. This is when a creator recommends a product and includes a special link in their description. If you click that link and buy something, the creator gets a commission. This could be a small percentage for products on Amazon or a much larger recurring commission for software subscriptions. For some channels, affiliate income can actually be bigger than their AdSense revenue, especially if they have a trusting and engaged audience. Then you have sponsorships or brand deals. This is when a company pays a creator directly to feature their product or service in a video. The rates for these can be all over the place. A small channel with a few thousand subscribers might get a few $100s for a dedicated video. A massive creator with millions of subscribers, they could be charging tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars for a single integration. It all depends on their niche, engagement rates, and negotiation skills. Don't forget about selling your own stuff. This is where creators have the most control. Many YouTubers sell merchandise like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs. Others create and sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, or presets for photo editing. If you have a loyal community, this can be incredibly lucrative because you're not sharing the revenue with a platform like YouTube or an affiliate network. The profit margins are much higher. Finally, there are direct support features built right into YouTube. Things like channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee for special perks like badges and exclusive content. And then there's Super Chat and Super Thanks, where viewers can pay to have their comments highlighted during a live stream or on a video. These might seem small, but for channels that do a lot of live streaming, these donations can add up to a significant amount each month. So, how much do YouTubers make? The answer is, it depends. A creator could be making a few $100s a month, or they could be a multimillionaire. It comes down to their niche, audience size, engagement, and most importantly, how many of these different income streams they're using. It's not just about getting views, it's about building a real business. Hope this breakdown was helpful. If you enjoyed it, give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.